Hi to our Every Nation North family and friends. We are excited about our upcoming Every Nation Southern Africa ReBUILD Conference on the 30th and 31st of May with international and local speakers. This is our first time hosting an online conference, and it promises to be a significant and defining one. Throughout history, despite all attempts of Satan, no power of destruction aimed at the church has been successful. Whatever is built on Christ has the power of indestructibility. So as we build and rebuild, we're re-emphasizing the centrality of Christ in all that we do. There will be 6 speakers over the weekend, including Pastor Steve Murrell and Pastor Roger Pierce, to name a few. The conference will stream live on both our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Be sure to follow our Facebook page for any updates or contact the office at info@ennorth.org. And remember, be awesome.